viewers, cutting across to a breaking news update in connection to the Places of Worship Act. Now the Supreme Court has given a big ruling. The Supreme Court stops a registration of new suits against the Places of Worship Act, bars passing of final or survey orders in pending suits. The court has also ordered that in pending cases, the courts should not pass effective or final orders, including the orders for survey. Now, let's tell you viewers, the interim order was passed while hearing a batch of petitions that were challenging the Places of Worship Act. And Rhythm Bhardwaj joins us on the phone line to give us more details on what the Chief Justice of India has said. Rhythm, please explain to our viewers what effectively does this mean.
Let's tell our viewers that now. First of all, the Supreme Court is now going to examine the Places of Worship Act and all the challenges to it. Several Hindu parties had moved the top court of the country to a challenge to the Places of Worship Act. The Supreme Court said, still we are hearing this, we are not going to have other suits to be filed. So any such people who are trying to say that the Supreme Court has given relief today or something would be absolutely inaccurate. All the court has said is, till the next date of the hearing, there will be no court that will pass fresh suits or any final orders and no decision of any survey. The Supreme Court has only given this as an interim order. Please let's understand that the Supreme Court... Let's go across to reactions coming in.
बाबर हुमायूं तुगलक गजनी गोरी के वंशज आके यहाँ कोई क्लेम नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो भारत के रहने वाले हैं वो अपने आप को बाबर हुमायूं तुगलक गजनी गोरी के साथ क्लेम करते हैं, उनके साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं। ये नहीं होना चाहिए, गलत है। हिंदू मुस्लिम का विषय नहीं है, पूरी तरीके से भारत की संप्रभुता का मामला है।
आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस मामले में आदेश जारी किया है, क्या वो आदेश है और अगली सुनवाई कब होगी?
माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोनों पक्षों को सुन लिया है। सुनने के बाद उन्होंने ओपन कोर्ट में कोई ऑर्डर नहीं पास किया है। अब वो ऑर्डर मुझे लगता है रात को लिखा जाएगा तो कल आएगा। ऑर्डर आज तक अभी कोई आया नहीं है। हमारा पहले से यही कहना था। दूसरी पक्ष का ये कहना था कि जो भारत में इस समय 18 मंदिरों का सर्वे चल रहा है उसको रोक दिया जाए। हमारा ये कहना है कि जहां जहां सर्वे का ऑर्डर हुआ है उसके पक्ष यहां आए ही नहीं है। और वैसे भी सीपीसी के अंतर्गत अगर कोई ऑर्डर होता है डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का तो उसको हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया जा सकता है। आप कानून को बाईपास नहीं कर सकते कि ऑर्डर हो रखा है डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट ने और सीधे उसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्टे कर दे। चाहे भद्रकाली हो, चाहे अटाला हो, चाहे वो हरिहर मंदिर हो, चाहे काशी हो, चाहे मथुरा हो, चाहे भोजशाला हो, वहां के जो पक्षकार हैं वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचे ही नहीं है और उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचना भी नहीं चाहिए। उनको वास्तव में जो वहां से डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के फैसले से दुखी है उनको हाई कोर्ट जाना चाहिए। तो मामला ये हाई कोर्ट का था, यहाँ सीधे सीधे सुप्रीम कोर्ट को स्टे नहीं करना चाहिए। ये बात हमने सुप्रीम कोर्ट से कहा है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये भी कहा है कि नया केस कोर्ट रजिस्टर नहीं करेगी, भले वो फाइलिंग उस मामले में हो जाए। और साथ ही कोर्ट ने किसी भी तरह के आदेश पारित करने पर रोक लगा दी।
अभी तक रोक नहीं लगाई है। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ओरल ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया, हमने उसका विरोध किया है। हमने माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट से यही कहा है कि बिना आप मेरिट को देखे हुए सीधे एक जनरल स्टे कर देना ठीक नहीं है। चूंकि कोई भी पक्षकार यहाँ नहीं है, न काशी के पक्षकार हैं, न मथुरा के पक्षकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, न भद्रकाली भोजशाला के पक्षकार हैं, न अटाला के पक्षकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, न हरिहर मंदिर के सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है, या अजमेर के पक्षकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट में नहीं है। ऐसे में बिना दोनों पक्षों को सुने हुए स्टे देना ठीक नहीं है। और वैसे भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट से कोई सीधे सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं आ सकता है, उसको हाई कोर्ट जाना पड़ेगा। हाई कोर्ट से जो हारी हुई पार्टी है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट आती है।
थैंक यू।
All right, that was the petitioner's advocate, Ashwini Upadhyay. Rhythm continues to be with us on the phone line. Rhythm, please talk to us about the key takeaways of this SC ruling.
The Supreme Court has, as of now, just given an interim order. This is not a ruling of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has now said that they have said till we are hearing this matter, they ask first viewers for the central's response to all the pleas that are challenging the Places of Worship Act. What is this act? It prohibits the filing of a lawsuit to reclaim, I repeat, reclaim a place of worship or seek a change in its character from what prevailed in 1947. The Supreme Court was hearing these and they have said till the time we're going to hear the constitutional validity of several acts, several provisions of the Places of Worship Act of 91. No more petitions can be filed against the Act till it hears and disposes of the existing ones. They've also asked, secondly, for the central government to file its affidavit in the case, after which they said we shall further see what action needs to be taken. They've said for the time being, there should be no fresh suit that should be filed till the next date of the hearing. This is also, viewers remember, saying in the pending suit, they're also saying the ones that are pending. For example, there's the Gyanvapi dispute in Varanasi, the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple dispute in Mathura and several others. In these, there cannot be any interim orders passed by the civil courts till the next date of the hearing. The Supreme Court has further said the centre will file its affidavit in 4 weeks. Now, we all remember the 1991 Places of Worship Act that mandates the nature of places of worship shall be maintained as it was in 1947. The controversy and several issues now arise because there are petitions that are being filed across India that are now asking for a reclamation of the land to what it could have been earlier. There are a slew of petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court now, and the union government is yet to file its reply. This matter, viewers, gets significant, and I'll take you through the takeaways after I've said this point, in the backdrop of several suits that have been filed in courts across the country which relate to the Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi, for example, the Shahi Igdaha Mosque in Mathura, for example, or the Shahi Jama Masjid that made headlines in Sambhal. These are all people and suits that have been filed. By suit, I mean a case that has been filed in a lower court, civil court in those places that claim that these mosques were built after destroying ancient temples. And therefore, in these courts, there is a permission being sought by the Hindus to offer prayers there. Now, I'll tell you what the Supreme Court has therefore in this background today stated. And I think for me, the most important point is the point where the Supreme Court has said they refuse to stay the proceedings in these suits which I just mentioned, which are presently pending against the places of worship, like there are against mosques and dargahs. As the central government will file its affidavit, let's also tell our viewers the Supreme Court orders that in pending suits, the court will not pass effective final orders. The interim order was passed. They've said, we deem it appropriate to direct while suits may be filed, no suits can be registered.
Right, absolutely. Well, thanks, Ridham, for explaining that big Supreme Court ruling to us and our viewers. For now, we will come back to you